Morning all, I'm Little Elf. I'm Santa's #1 helper, and he's sent me on a special mission today to go to Crewe Motorcycle Centre to show all the boys and girls who have been good to see what they can put on their last minute Christmas wish list. So anyway, but before we go have a look around the shop, there's a fella called Ian that wants to have a quick chat with you. I'll go and get him. Oh God, I do wish he wouldn't do that. I really do. Anyway, so here we are at Crewe Motorcycle Centre, and it seems like a fitting place really to end the season off and end the year off really. We've had a cracking year, haven't we? We've been to some splendid places, made some great videos, and YouTube kindly send us a bit of a list thing, and you know that I'm not one for specifications and all that malarkey. So anyway, I'll just put the thing up there that they send me. We've had a cracking year, well over 1,000 subscribers. We've just hit over 3,000 subscribers in total, which is absolutely fantastic considering what a small niche we are, you know. So I am so grateful for everyone. You know, all the comments and all the friends we've made, you know, over the year and previously, you know, previous years. Honestly, I can't believe it. I can't believe the support, you know, with losing my dad and everything else. You know, I'm blown away. To be quite honest, I am absolutely blown away with the level of support from you guys. So anyway, we're going to go out now. We're going to have a walk around the shop. I'm going to get Little Elf back. So I'd just like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a very happy and prosperous 2025. And I can't wait to get out on the bike again. All the best. I'll find him. Whew. Hello, it's me again. Right, let's go and have a look around the shop. Here's Pip. Pip in her Christmas coat. Hello, Pip. Right, so let's have a look around the shop. Some nice t-shirts and helmets over there, look. And more. And we're with the Royal Enfields, Himalayans. Plenty of stock. More t-shirts over here. I've got that one. The Gorillas. Now this is the base model of the Gorilla. This is the one with the analog clock. Yeah, and the Tripper. And I'm going to be controversial now. I actually prefer the analog clock. But then again, I am rather old school, so. It's not actually a bad colour, is it? It's like smoke grey. It is. It's more of a satin than a matte, somehow. Oh, I don't know. It's matte, isn't it? Still looks good. And as you know, I absolutely love mine. And here's one in that blue. I can't remember the colour. Stunning. And I must admit, I'd have been tempted to get this had the black back wheel been the same colour as the blue, because it just does my OCD in. And a Hunter with a Gorilla. What I want to have a look at actually while we're here, I just want to have a quick look at the back end of the Himalayan. Oh. Does that look, you know, in comparison with the Gorilla, see it's got a bolt-on bit here. Now, I don't think the Gorilla's got that. See. No, well, it's definitely very different under there, isn't it? Yeah, so I think we're going to have to wait until R&G or someone like that comes up with a tail tidy for the Gorilla so we can get rid of this lumpy bit here. I know that someone has taken one off the Himalayan, R&G I think it was, for the Himalayan, and used it on the Gorilla, and it does actually look good. But it might be a bit too much of a faff. So there we go, Meteors. I do like this colour Meteor, like grey and silver, black and silver, black and grey even with the gold. Looks good. Hunter, bullets. I haven't ridden a bullet yet, have I? I mean, I know it's going to be the same as the classic 350 at the end of the day, but you know, with the seat being slightly different. Grand looking bikes, aren't they? Really are. I'm not overly struck on this colour, must admit. But it wouldn't do for us all to be the same, would it? Super Meteor. The screen. Interceptors. Apparently, this bike here used to be Roger's. Don't know if it still is. On the Blackbird. Oh, we've still got a couple of Royal Enfields here, look. That colour's definitely different, isn't it? Ooh. That. On the road. 3795. Bit of a bargain, isn't it? Lovely Christmas tree there. Very pretty. Range of products. Muck off. Here's Santa. Well, it's not the real Santa. Santa's a bit busy at the moment, so he sent one of his Oppos. A Royal Alloy. I didn't know that Roger did these actually. 5149. It's obviously a Lambretta-ish looking thing, isn't it? Not a huge fan, but again, doesn't do for us all to be the same. 300S. It looks the part, doesn't it? Want to be a mod? What are these? Kimco's. It's wild looking, isn't it? Reiju Adventura. Mash. I like the Mash. I mean, this is the X-Ride, this is a 125. I actually like the 650s because they look very much like the old XT 500s from back in the day. Nice styling in it. An old AJS here. Look at that. And if I hadn't got the Gorilla, this here is one I was really tempted with. I really like this. Benelli 752S. I think it looks, especially in that colour, I think it looks the dog's danglies. It's obviously, Benelli's like a historically Italian brand, but it's owned by a Chinese company. But that engine is really, it's supposed to be really stonking, and the exhaust. I mean, look at that for a standard exhaust on a bike. That sounds bloody brilliant. Yeah, there's a TRX 502. The little sister, if you like, I suppose, to that 702 I took out. There's the 702. then you've got the gold stars. Still a good bike, you know. I know they haven't had an easy passage really, but they are a nice bike to ride. Clothing, nice Merlin jacket. Yeah. Hey up, we've got reindeer. Hello, Mr. Reindeer. The range of helmets. Yeah. Little jet dragster. Wild looking, aren't they? I always quite fancied one of these when I was commuting. More clobber, more clothes. Range of accessories up there, look. Balaclavas, might have to invest in one of those. It's a hefty bike, look. Right, there's Uncle Carl. Hello. Should be bar humbug.
Can't spell that.
Roger Morris, Local Legend Award. Right, I think we're done now. So I'm going to love you and leave you. I'm going to be a bit busy now for the next couple of days, helping Father Christmas out. So, yeah, so Ian's already thanked you, but I'm going to thank you again. So, thank you very much for everything this year. Look forward to 2025 and have a good one. Thanks, guys.